Gesha. Gesha, the writer of the famous song TikTok? Slayer. Who's that on the wallpaper? Oh, that's Kurisu. Strong leaning towards harsh. Juicy. Material. Is this how you would do a gradient? Aha. Okay, the color does not affect that. I feel like there's probably a built-in thing, but I don't know. Which one am I supposed to make taller? This guy? Debug purple. Ooh, I copied the whole thing. That is not what I wanted. Just this, please. Why is it so far left? Preferred height, preferred width. Doesn't do anything. Are these all shifted? No. Huh. Content cell size, there we are. Cell, I should have known. Child alignment left? No. Spacing. Truncate wrap. We want this to be left, though. I guess break the targets is the only one that's, like, really throwing it off. Let's set that like that. Okay, yeah, they are aligned. I see, I said. Yolk, yolk, yolk. Do 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 do. I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right. Okay, that's alignment. Okay, yeah. Sure. Sure. She's whipping it up. Chepretung. Trung. Chepretung. I'm not much of a whipped egg guy myself. I'd give it a try. I don't think I'd want to drink the whole thing. It's weird to me that the title is like that. I guess that the title position... Ah, okay. I see. So if I move all these guys over... then they play nice with my basic layout here. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. I don't know why it wants to be here at the beginning. Bum, bum. Don't do that. Why is it off? Also, this should be combined with the other menu nav stuff. On start. That's fine. Is it already at index 0? It is indeed. What's it doing up there, man? How come when I select it again, it goes in a good spot? Marker. Current row equals 0. Max of 0 and -1. Okay, that's fine. That's all fine, man. This is all good. Because it's going to be 0 either way. Update marker. Move to index. Grid navigator marker. Are these real buttons? What happens if I do this? I clearly have some Raycaster or something not enabled. Shader channels. Ignore. Reverse graph. Blocking object, none. Blocking mask. Sure. Now can I click? Oh. Me no no. Guess we don't really need that anymore. Ba-boom, boom. Apologies. My apologies. Element layout. Grid layout. Scroll view. Does this even need to exist? It's just acting as a container for the background right now, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I know what's going on. Interactable. Could I use my mouse pointer, please? Could I please use my mouse pointer, please? Whoa, that's crazy. Boo-doo-doo-doo. We have the graphics raycaster on. Why does my mouse not work, bro? Maybe it needs to be higher in the Z order? I don't fucking know. Yeah. Have a menu in Unity that uses a good layout and buttons. I can't click them though. I have the raycaster enabled on the canvas. Canvas group. If there's a canvas group, interactable and block raycasts. Button state. Make sure that the button component itself is an interactable state. Interactable, true. Button graphic. Online image. Target graphic. Color swap. Sure. Huh. Raycast padding. Raycast target. On here. Event system. Ensure that there's an event system in the scene. That might be it. UI event system. Huh. Sorting order. Check if the buttons are in the correct sorting order and have the correct order in the layer to be visible and interactable. Is it just a parent for no reason? Yeah, really, this could have an image background? It's a fucking mess, bro. Graphs, graph, wake up edges. Marker. Where the fuck's this guy at? Seems like it should work, no? Why no worky? Navigation, automatic, visualize. Show navigation flows between selectable UI elements. Raycast target. It no do nothing. It no do the thing. Can be one or the other? Okay, that's fine. That works. This guy has a good navigator script, though. Why can't he be the guy? There you go. Maybe I pulled the wrong thing. What if I click on break the targets, man? What then? Okay, it does work. What then, bro? What then? What say you then? wrong thing. I go here. Add the image. Yes. That's in the wrong order. Let's go up here. Okay. Not particularly pretty, but you know, it do worky. What's it called? Main menu online. There you go. Cool. Good, good, good. I was like, is that how it works? Can I just like drag them around and it reorders them? And yes, indeed, that is how it works. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, why is quit on the top now? Oh, you know what? That was probably why the fucking shit didn't work. Because of that. I see. Oh yeah, these buttons are not hooked up to the right stuff anymore. Why'd they get their order all fucked up? There's 2 level loaders. Nope. Bum, bum, bum. Looks pretty good. Of course, it's not gonna be shipped looking like that, you dumbasses. It's gonna be beautified. The idea is that it's all laid out, okay? And functions. which you guys wouldn't understand. Nobody knows how to make things work except for me. Only I know how to do that. This is very strange to me that the cursor goes to this wrong spot at first, but it is what it is. Bum, bum, bum. Yo, that game yesterday, what the fuck was that game? That was a 56-minute game? That was crazy, dude. 53 minutes. Holy macaroni and cheese. That is a long game of League of Legends. How come I lost this game? I was supposed to win. Bad players, okay. Damn, dude, we was down 8,000 gold because my team was so bad. Bum, bum, bum. Main menu, navigation, cleanup, and new design. Do we need this? I think we need the event system. Yeah, I need him. UI, input system, input module. Where's the BRB dog Joe? There we go. Dog Joe, Dog Joe. Hello, I'm back with Dog Joe. Smoking on that shit that made Dog Joe. Smoking on that shit that made Dog Joe. Oops. Door box 1. Okay, there's a button here. On-click action. Let me add a debug guy here. Event system. Ah, this was deleted by me. Oops. I see. Purple. Bruh. We're gonna see purple gain. Bruh. That's sick, bruh. I ain't, I ain't noticing no, thingamajig. Also, there must be a secondary marker on this, first block. I must have 2 markers. I do have 2 markers. Hey, why are there 2 markers, mister? Do I need to get rid of this? level loader thing here too. It is not a raycast target. Mm-hmm. Okay. One v9 Bygar Smurf account. 1v9 Kindred Smurf account. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Can you please explain? Oh.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Menu logic, HUD animation, controller input for UI, Unity dialogue system. This menu. Okay, this is fine. This is good. This is fine.
Minions have spawned.
Okay, yeah, he knows about the grid navigator class. I say this all the time, but I never win when Ryze is on my team. Never, never, never win. And it's mostly because I'm never lucky. Did you hear they're removing mythic items? OMG, bro. I knew it was a bad decision on the first day that they fucking added it. That's why I should be on the League of Legends design team. Is today Wednesday? It is Tuesday. I don't know who wins 2v2 right now. Probably them. I rewatched the Great Potato War yesterday. Holy shit, dude. RIP to Technoblade. That was lit. That was a lit vid. Okay. How are we doing, Raka? I can't even tell if we're, like, winning or losing or... Seraphine's out of mana, though. That much I can tell you for sure.
An ally has been slain.
I'm gonna say we probably just want to give the objective to the Kindred, but we will see. I think Seraphine did base. How do I lose that X? are you thinking, bro?
An ally has been slain.
Can you explain how I might add a stack of grid navigators? Like, if I want a confirmation box. Shit. We know where Kindred is. She is topside. Killing wolves. Wow, a jungler that actually takes advantage of the fact that my lane is pushed. That's lit.
Has been slain.
Yeah. I need an auto before my ult is gonna execute either of them, in my opinion. And I'm low on mana. If I could stay until I have Essence Reaver, that'd be really ideal. We see. I got my gold that I wanted. I like wasting jungler's time, though.
Killing spree.
Yeah, she's just wasting time. Everybody just relax here. So I'm getting gold and she is not. She might have walked around again. I don't know. Kane is doing fine, by the way. This Garen has no idea what he's bitching about. The Kane is up 30 farm and got dragon. Let's just be happy with what we got, you know? Okay. My ult is going to execute for 140. So if I get some autos off here, I'm hoping that Seraphine rotated mid. She did. We both have flash again. Take it. Oh, this guy's trolling now? Nice. Why would you want to win? Good question. At least he didn't sell his items. That's too bad. Yeah, playing bot is better here. Top lane is just gonna kill me. She's already got 5 kills. Anybody ever thought of killing Twitch? How many kills does she have? 2. Okay, let's just go drag. No. Fine too. Am I gonna get ulted is the question. I think I'm fine. Big money if I can fucking go cash out though. It's big, big money. Big money, big money. Why? Uh-oh. Like, I'm strong, but I'm not strong enough to get this guy up from me. And, Soraka's not gonna peel. How? I'm free firing fucking auto attacks at her and she lives. How? She missed her stun too.
Your turret has been destroyed.
I don't know, man.
You have slain an enemy.
Oh, it's because she bought plated steel cap. She should be able to 1v2 us if I'm just throwing auto attacks at her forever. Yeah. Because I'm so weak. Yeah. Maybe if I have no money, that makes sense, but if I've got fucking gold, why? Why is that how it's going down, you know?
An ally has been slain.
Ugh. What did this guy have to troll, man? I'm just gonna get one hit by this guy too, right? Maybe not. That was the E of an unskilled player.
An enemy is godlike.
Yeah, my team is hinting it.
Down. Your turret has been destroyed.
Yo. That's a good thing to go get, my friends.
Your team has destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain.
That's not good. Okay, they have 3 guys here now. We can't do anything. Uh-oh.
An ally has been slain.
Double uh-oh. I got ulted, dude. Shit.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Yeah. Weak mental. Hello? Huh. Not great mechanics out of the Rise there. That's good. That's a triple kill, actually. I would go back in immediately. You're so strong, man. Why are you scared of this Twitch? She's not big at all. Huh. They're both dead, in my opinion. You just fucking get on top of them. Oh, Irelia Kindred are gonna be here. It's tough. He got something. They might be on Baron, yeah. Yeah, just, we gotta do something. It's actually really good. Bad positioning. Ay, ay, ay. Nothing I can do. I guess I could not get hit by a 1300 damage fucking W. That'd be a good start. Eh. What you gonna do? Certainly. I I understand what it's saying. I see it. It should have gone in models. Boom, 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 boom. Ba-da-doo. Come on. That's very wrong. That's the opposite of what we want. I'm pretty good at landing it, though. This game fucking rocks, bro. I have a singleton manager that I think should handle the stack instead. That way, we only manage one instance. Hello, Mr. Quib. We're making a navigation stack. As in, you can select a menu, and then a confirmation box will pop up, and then you're controlling the confirmation box instead of the menu behind the confirmation box. Genius! Boom, bum, 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 bum. Quib's got the fiber now. 40 bones for 500 down. And you get to shoot your packets through the power of light? Soon. Okay, soon. Come, Mr. Fiberman. Singleton. Manager. Private stack grid navigator. Grid navigator stack is equal to new stack grid navigator. Wake instance destroyed. Push navigator, pop navigator, get current navigator. Those are all beautiful functions, GPT. Thank you. Thank you. He gave me an example here for pushing to the stack, right? Yeah, singleton manager.instance.push navigator new navigator. I like it. I already had something similar to this. Because the player grid navigator state, grid navigator. Now, player navigator. It's called player grid navigation state. We get the navigator, get grid navigator. Okay. So this actually needs to be moved onto the it's got to be moved here. Tried to click on the Apple event Twitter trending thing, and then it got updated, and I tapped on Krispy Kreme. I don't want to learn about Krispy Kreme. What kind of news is that? This is what it may look like. This is what it might look like. Breaking news. It might look like this. It also might look not like this. We have no evidence of that. Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme donut in my entire life. That last statement was totally unrelated.
Hey, do you think we should do some work on Mr. Plinkett's VCR today? Mike, we haven't done a single thing to fix it in months. Maybe years? I don't even know, but eventually this open order is going to attract these corporate.
Corporate? Corporate hasn't been around in years. I don't even know if they exist anymore. And then someone changed our stock ticker from LFVCR to FARC. Jay, it's been so long.
Oh, in that case, you want to just talk about some movies?
Absolutely. In fact, I have 3 movies I'd love to talk about.
Brought to you by Voodoo and Loot Crate and Quaker Oats. You deserve an oat of the highest quality. Rise and shine.
Rise and shine. You deserve an oat of the highest caliber. Won't you try my wheat? Come get some grains, friend. Barley's top of the shelf. I'm a man of my word.
You deserve an oat of the highest quality. The Hound from Game of Thrones is on the oats here in Scotland since the 80s. He loves to sell a good oat, does he? You deserve an oat of the highest quality. Grid Navigator. There's one for closing it. Is that in the player state? Oh. That does close shop UI. Currently, I have it like this. Can you update that for me? Use the stack instead, and only close the shop many different interfaces. Maybe I should convert that close shop to close final interface. To push the grid navigator to the shop UI onto the stack. Likewise, the close shop UI or close final interface would pop the current grid navigator off the stack. Ezreal Ash, everybody loves this lane. I'm kind of a lover of the press the attack rune. Open shop UI. Yeah, this should be like open interface. Yeah, I think we should use more generic names. Like instead of open shop, and we use open interface. Did you read that there's a new GPT for Enterprise? And apparently it's the smartest one yet. Scott's Porridge Oats! New, certainly. Certainly, absolutely. Certainly. Sure. Certainly. He loves to be certain. He's quite certain indeed. Okay. I like that idea here. Close grid interface. Yeah, let's yeah, the shop cam is the way that I focus on I move the camera focus onto the shopkeeper or given object that is in charge of the interface. Active cam or focus target camera might be something. Can you think up a good name for that, please, and rename it?
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Does GPT Enterprise have a better hella swag score than paid GPT 4? I'm not sure. It was just announced. I don't even know if it's able to be run quite yet. Hello. This guy got a little doggy. I just know it was announced. And then everybody's like, GPT-5? GPT-5? GPT 4.5? GPT 4.5? Such as prioritize access to a souped up GPT-4. It's souped up! Dude, it's all souped up. I wonder what kind of soup it is. Cream of broccoli is what I'm thinking. I think it's souped up with cream of broccoli. I got stuck behind the creeps there. Bummer! Yeah, my sound is fucked. Ezreal doesn't have an auto attack sound. What is happening? I can hear when I kill a minion. I can hear Zaya's cues. I don't got no sounds. I ain't got no sounds. That's nice that you know how to do view fixer stuff now. Did you ever watch that little documentary? It's like a... That's why I started using View, because I watched a little documentary about the Evan Yu guy who made it. It was a cute little documentary, and it made me happy. Why did it make me happy? It made me happy because there was a single fucking guy in charge of the idea. It wasn't some stupid, it's a project by Facebook. It was one guy, and he had different ideas, and he's like, this is how it's gonna fucking be, bro. And it's gonna be good. And sometimes we're gonna make a breaking change, and that's okay. It's a short, like, 15 or 20 minute little doc thing. I liked it a lot. And he was explaining why it's so popular in China, because he's bilingual, speaks Mandarin and English, so he made Chinese documentation high priority. Like, if you think about all of the frameworks that are popular in web and programming, right? They're all Western inventions. So it would make sense that there's like a lack of good first-party documentation in different languages. So if he was like, dude, Vue, we're gonna make sure that it's got good Chinese documentation, and then it does, damn. That's a big value add for the boys in Pyongyang. How we doing, Ash? I feel like we're getting owned.
Shut down.
How did that miss? Where the fuck did he go? Gotta restart my client. I want to listen to my character make sounds. Where are all my sounds, Riot Games? Are we allowed to base? I didn't know that echoes on the dragon. Okay, I'm out of here. No, I can't see that. I gotta relaunch.
A summoner has reconnected.
There we go. Gib. Thank you. I was listening to the MIT GPT playlist, which was quite good. There's some good speakers on it, like Wolfram and Tegmark. However, there was also a speaker called Yann Lecon, who is French and very gigabrained. I think that I saw that. Was that the Sparks of AGI guy? I've seen that talk. I did watch the Sparks of AGI talk, and I think that guy was French, but he might have been something else. Sparks of AGI. No, Sebastian Bubeck.
An enemy has been slain.
Man, Shen is just too good of a character in League of Legends. It's not fair.
Has been slain.
Get him! Nope. Too late on my ult there. If I fired it 5 seconds earlier, I would have got him. Walk! Sebastian. Get him! How am I higher level than you if I was AFK for 2 waves? That doesn't make any sense, Ashley. I could have played that better. Yeah. You know, you probably should be level 6, though, Ash, because you had solo XP for 45 seconds while I reconnected to the game, right? Oh well. Mm-hmm. Do-do-do-do. Ashley, were you autofilled? Ashley, were you autofilled?
Shut down. An ally has been slain.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na.
An enemy has been slain.
Warning. The Ashley is not very good. Proceed with caution. Does he have to land something on me, or can he just jump? I don't know how it works. Fuck him up. She has no R.
You have slain an enemy.
Hooray! Turns out data scientists are amazing communicators, which shouldn't be surprising, but it was because he was very French. Bonjour. Bonjour. Jamie Pell down the crop. Gem la League of Legends.
Turret plating will soon fall.
Je suis fatigué.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been
Comme si, comme ça.
shut down. Double kill.
It's looking good. Ouch! Uh-oh. Bitch! And that guy lived too? This game fucking sucks, man! Ah, darn it. Uh-oh. She does have her ult. Nah, you're fucked. Yeah. You're screwed, bro. Jen? I have the power Trinity Force. Dun 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 dun. He's getting lasered? I think that we just killed him. Yeah. Bitch! Bitch! Ha-ha! Dude, I'm fucking nuts! How are you doing, brother? I have $3,000, team. I think that it would be good for me to buy an item, or possibly even 2 items. Ooh, that was a bit of a misplay. See you later, guys. Okay, I have $3,000. Now, bad players won't even recognize how good I am for getting all of those kills on Ezreal because my ult was not available yet, but Ezreal's abilities actually reduce the cooldown of his ultimate by 1.5 seconds. So by landing extra Qs on the minion wave, I actually boosted my cooldown reduction. And was very poggerino and cheese. Yeah. Goodbye. How did that guy live so long? That's crazy, bro. He's alive! Oh my god, he's alive! Wow! What the fuck was that? That guy was everywhere. Good luck, Zed.
Shut down.
'Cause you're everywhere to me. Need a little bit more. Oh, they didn't even get it. LOL! Ho ho ho!
An enemy has been slain.
That's good.
Has destroyed a turret. Dominating. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Guys, where are their camps at? Meow. Oh, I thought it was a brand new 2B2T video, but it wasn't. The oldest Anarchy server in Minecraft. No longer an Anarchy server because now it's got rules, like little babies need. Little baby needs a bedtime.
Enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
I think that we kill this guy. Yeah. Kills little dogs.
An ally has been slain.
These guys are getting fucking machine gunned by me, dude. Why don't they walk out of the way of my moves? Uh-oh. I want to kill them. He's nuts, bro! He's fucking nuts on this character! 3,000 fucking damage on the Trinity Force, which shows that I am not missing those cues. He's truly got him dialed in. Ooh, I was close. Do 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 do.
An enemy has been slain.
This guy's having a fucking nuts game on this character, bro. And then after this, he's going to add the fucking grid navigator to the grid navigator stack object so that we can get the most recent one. And then continue down through the stack. It's going to be so good. My bad. Panicked. Just quit. No one is good like me. No one will ever be as good as me. Just the fucking facts, bro. Do, 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 do. I'm a fucking freak. I'm a motherfucking freak. Good job, Zed. I'm a freak. Where's the rest of the fucking honors, boys? Are you guys honoring Shen like little babies? You probably did. Fuck you guys. Everybody should have honored me. I'm the greatest. I'm literally a freak on the Rift. Dun, 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 ba-da-da-da-da. Let's put on the new live overflow in the background. Him and Google have been they've been swapping some cash live overflows way. There's so much sponsored content now. Sponsor. A bunch of these are sponsored too. He's getting paid.
Is this the worst one?
And let's have a look. Google has made the code available here on GitHub in the security research repository. Here you can find several files, but assembly.c and zenly.asm are the important ones. Because the exploit snippet was assembly code, let's start with that one.
Focused
Besides the
interface
assembly
camera.
we can actually find a surprising amount of assembly code. There are actually multiple variants for the same issue. Zenleak Hippo Unrolled, Zen2Leak, Bench.
Pippo? People! People! They've got people in the fucking search, dude? They loved a good people. Open grid interface. What do you mean it doesn't exist in the current context? Let's see. This is called ShopCam. Do, 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 do. New Google Peepo. Peepo. Err. We should change some of that stuff. Like maybe an interface UI should have a camera optional. I don't know. It's no big deal. It is no big deal, man. Close interface. We pop it, lock it. We only want to do this if this is the last one, though. Okay, this get grid navigator needs to be changed to the instance. Not pop navigator, not push. We need get current navigator. There's state manager. Player grid navigation. Cause you're everywhere to me. This should be player dot singleton manager. We already have a reference. Okay, this should be, I agree, renamed to Current Navigator. That's a good name for it. That's good. And then this should be select. Yes. Oh. That should be, we already have one for this. I like moving that here with his friend. Oops. That'll work fine. That will work fine. Okay. So can I still open the menu is the question. No. And the answer is because Singleton Manager Open Shop UI, Open Grid Interface, Shop UI Blacksmith Camera. Did the blacksmith camera get dereferenced? World environment, text block, blacksmith conversation. Blacksmith camera is set correctly. Blacksmith cam, that's fine. Open grid interface. Go to the, we have this open twice. Open grid interface, focused cameras equal to null. If it does not equal null, we set the priority to 15, and we set the focus camera is equal to underscore focus camera. There you go. That's what he needed. Why am I not in the right state? Get out of the way! Did I not enter the state? Grid navigator not assigned in the inspector. Ay, 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 ay. The variable selection marker of grid navigator has not been assigned in the inspector. This guy? Where is he? Grid layout group. Scroll view. Viewport. Content. Grid navigator. Grid navigator script and grid navigator script. We're gonna only want one of those, I'm gonna say. I think one is good for now. Why can I move is the question. Hey. Stop it! Oh, that's true. That is true. Okay. I think I know why. This should be called main menu nav. Okay. Dialog manager. And here we have if singleton manager dot instance dot get what's it called? Get grid navigator. It's not equal null, right? That sounds good. Fuck you. Fuck you. Open shop UI. Open grid interface. Get current navigator. Ah, yeah. Perhaps, mayhaps. Yep. Okay. Good. We're almost there. Let's make a little menu. There's an example one here someplace. It's a pop-up. It's a pop-up. Chat. Message. Cancel. Don't save. Or did I fuck up by not saving? Let me go back to the town. Don't tell me that I lost a bunch of progress there. I feel like I didn't, but maybe I did. Okay, we're good. Sometimes when I reload this scene, it seems like the... Okay. Something is happening here. It did not close the parent object, which it should have done. Yeah, when I reload this scene, sometimes it... Also, does it like just like to drop frames when I have the thing on the other screen, or is that just a thing that it likes to do sometimes? It looks... No, it's dropping frames for sure. Why? It works perfectly on my screen, guys. I can tell you that. Have a look at this. 170 FPS. Now that's pretty good. But it drops frames in the office. Obviously. Duh. What are you, some kind of idiot? Obviously. Obviously, dude. Okay. Obviously. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Bro. Canvas. Give me buttons, bars, nope, panels. There you go. I want the ready panel, right? Undeleted. Are you sure you want to quit? Item deleted. Okay, that one I want. I'm going to call this confirmation menu. And are these in a grid navigator? They aren't, but I can make them do that. I can make that happen. It can be done. Confirmation menu. UI. Do-do-do-do. It's a pop-up. Scroll rect. Viewport. Content. Grid layout group. I think that's fine. Or do they need to be in a grid? A different type of grid. I forget what it's called. Panel, scroll view, viewport content. It is called a grid layout view. Grid layout group. So we go here. We add a grid navigator script. The grid layout is itself. And it is 1 row, 2 columns. And it doesn't have a selection marker, so we will move one here to this. And we'll put him at 0, 0. And we set this selection marker as a marker. Okay. And then I can say inside of the debug script, I go singleton manager dot instance dot open grid interface. Private game object. Confirmation menu. Start. No, it's fine. It's already referenced. It takes a game object, right? Open grid interface. Well, obviously it does because it's not throwing me an error. But it gets the component. Okay, yes. Okay. This needs to be serialized field. Do. There's no more Dog Joe left in here. WTF, bro? Okay, this might actually just work right away, which would be really cool. But you never know. Sometimes things don't like to work right away. OMG, it worked right away, and then I close it, but it doesn't actually close properly? That's because... something. We are super close to getting it to work. I think first we need to keep a reference of the game object that was opened, that was set active when the grid navigator was opened. That way we can disable the correct object when it is closed. The interface that I could just move it to the parent, which would be fine too. Let's try that. Because the grid navigator script can be just put on here. And then I move, this is the grid layout and this is the marker. And then I have 1 row, 2 columns. I remove this, remove component. And then in here I change this to, yeah, confirmation menu. That's fine. Maybe that still works. And then for this one, same deal. I move the grid navigator onto here. It's 3 by 3. The grid layout is this content, and the marker is inside of here. There he is. And then I go to this content, remove the component there. Maybe that works, maybe it doesn't work. Let's have a look. Okay, that's looking good. Ooh, almost. Yeah, it's releasing me from the state, which it shouldn't do if I'm still in a menu, which is, again, almost right. It's almost right. We go to grid navigator, close, select close interface. If it's just like I did here in the dialog manager. Get current, yeah. I got tricked when I bought an M.2 drive. I fucking bought one of the SATA ones because I'm a dumbass. I didn't realize that you could get scammed like that. Okay. Again, I almost got that, but... Brig! Why am I able to move? Oh no, this should be no. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Cool. That's sick. Okay. Also, we should only return the camera here if we are out of the... What is this focus thing? There we go. Storage is so crazy cheap. I remember my dad had a digital camera, just like a shitty Canon point and shoot. Okay, that works perfectly. That's really nice. Just a shitty Canon point and shoot thing. And he bought 512 megabyte SD cards or 256 megabyte SD cards, and they were like fucking $50. It was so crazy. And they weren't even fast. They're just like... SD cards used to be so expensive. Now you get 1 terabyte SD card for fucking $100. Not even. I want to say that they're like $64. 1 terabyte SD card. They're $84. That's fucking crazy. That is ridiculous, bro. That is ridiculous. $1 terabyte for $49. Is this SATA though? Because that's where I got tricked. I got tricked when it was a SATA one. It was SATA over NVMe or some shit like that, where they tricked me. Don't trick me. The Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD has truly transformed my gaming and graphics experience, offering unparalleled speed, performance, and storage capacity. This SSD isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. With its VNAND technology, it's designed to deliver top-tier performance that's perfect for gaming, graphics work, and memory-intensive tasks. One of the standout features of this SSD is its remarkable speed. The read and write speeds are simply impressive, ensuring that games load faster, files transfer swiftly, and overall system responsiveness is heightened. The 1 terabyte storage capacity is a significant improvement over traditional hard drives, providing ample space for all games, software, and media files. Alex, did you ask GPT to write this? In conclusion, yeah, this is GPT 100%. Okay, can it determine? I want to test one of those GPT checkers. AI detector. This is gonna be like a 90% accuracy written by a GPT. There is a 68% probability this text was entirely written by AI. I'd put it a little higher than that. It reads very AI. 68%. This truly remarkable drive has transformed my gaming experience. That's sick, bro. That is fucking sick. Oh, did you see the new HUD design? This is not a good demo of it because I'm not using the right prefab for it, but we go here. You can see the new design. It's still too far apart, unfortunately. But I'm going to get that resolved. See, we got... Oh, I'm in the way. Let me turn myself off here. That's the new UX design from Crop Industries. You know, it has a little style, it has a little grace, and it doesn't look exactly like the one from Smash 4, which is good. Or Smash Ultimate, which is good. That's what I was going for. Don't make it look the exact same. There's this accent stuff, like this little glow here and this little bar, those are going to be colored too, but they're a separate layer right now. I think I'm just going to combine them and have Unity recolor them, but they'll be a little bit lighter, so they'll stand out as a different color. The way that it kind of looks here, but for other colors it will. Like this part will be kind of a brighter red. Yeah. I didn't even have to ask this guy this, because we actually found the answer ourselves. Very cool. And then some of the Phantom hit stuff we got sorted out too. There was some problems with that before, but now they're resolved. And then the numbers don't bounce the way that I want them to. Like they're going to, in Melee, they have a nice like, they do a little animation here, but I want them to bounce like they're getting knocked around, not just like they're getting resized, which is currently the way that they work. It's getting polished up every day. Every day there's a little more polish going on. I'm glad that we got that interface stuff working though. That's huge that we can navigate a big stack of interfaces now. Yeah, subtle influence by the direction of the hit, I think, is a good way to go. Yeah, very good. Very good. That looks very good. Oop, can't do that here. Gotta do this first. Oops. grid navigator system converted to a stack so that the interfaces can be so that each grid navigator can spawn a child interface, a confirmation box, etc. Good shit. What up, Olivia? We do have to, like, when we open this submenu, it hides the original, which we don't like. That should, the shop should stay up. And then we need to, I'll put that on the list. I say this every time I open Obsidian, but Markdown is the preferred way to take notes. We already have Shop UI. Oh, we don't have a teleport UI though. We have Shop UI navigation, closing menus, yep. Camera transitions, yeah, got that. Animate between scenes, yeah, I've got that. HUD restoring values should not trigger the coroutine. Visual redesign, that's been done. This has been done. Okay, I forget what I even wanted to do. Let's say grid navigator. Stacked interfaces should not hide their parents. What else? You were saying windows appearing on top of the other window. Yeah, that's this part here. Oh, wait, in the hierarchy? They already do. That's how the stack works. Every interface that is pushed onto the stack is now the top element. So the problem is just with oh my. I've been distracted. Oh my. Yeah, I don't even know why it's hiding the parent. I guess it's closing it originally. Open grid interface. Set active true on the interface. That's good. And it pushes it on the stack, but the... What happens if I just manually enable both of these? What then? What say you then? No, they can both be open. When I select it too, all it's doing is opening Open grid interface confirmation menu. So I'm hitting A. This is fine, get rid of that. I really don't like Visual Studio that much. I feel like it has bad... Like, these tabs should be way bigger. They should be way bigger, dude. Can I do that? No. Sometimes you want to... You try things. Maybe the designers made it so that if you press Control and you start scrolling with your mouse over top of the tabs, it will expand them. No. It was made by Microsoft. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why that happens, but seems good. League of Legends. It's time for League of Legends. VS Code is good. VS Code and Visual Studio itself are two different programs. VS Code, I like this. The only problem is that it's an Electron app and it is too slow to open. It should open instantly like Notepad, in my opinion. But everybody likes this. Got good customization options. I like that you can do the little, what is it, the tilde button? There you go. You saw it right there. I like doing this one. Doing. One more. Doing. You can open up your little command prompt in there. And when it's all the rage, everybody has their cool stuff, like that new programming copilot thing. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, this is the one that John Blow bitches about all the time, about Visual Studio not having good debugging. Holy cow. That is a lot of revenants. John Blow always bitching about breakpoints, stepping through in the debugger. I'm not a big debugger guy. I like just having print statements everywhere. But the debugger, once you start using it, I don't think that you can go back. It's too good. Fiddlestick. Set Viego Nami. This is a pretty good game for Ezreal again, especially with Fiddleman. Bro, says Raptor. Top is right there. Thanks. Oh, he did a trade. He did a trade. I think getting work done is the most important thing. It seems like the people that are very passionate about what editor you're using are not making anything. It's like the guys that rice out their Linux desktop. Dude, you're using the wrong... You gotta use the i3 window manager with the Wayland desktop server, and you gotta use the right compositor so that your transparency effects work. I don't have fucking time for that, man. I'm working on shit, or I wanna play video games instead of doing that. I would rather play video game.
Minions have spawned.
Good job, Fiddlesticks. They're removing mythic items from League of Legends. They're gone, bro. Well, not yet. And this year we went from 1 ranked season last year to 2 ranked seasons this year. And next year there's going to be 3 ranked seasons? What the fuck? 3 ranked seasons? How much fucking time do you think I have? Why are you giving them the bush? Why?
First blood.
Good work, Trent. I feel like Fiddle gave up position too easily. So you're going to be able to build Kraken Slayer, Infinity Edge. Well, I guess you can already do that now. You're going to be able to build Infinity Edge, Navari Quick Blades. Trinity Force, all at the same time. Mr. Fujiwara. This morning you built Infinity Edge, Trinity Force, and a very quick blades all at the same time. I would like to know what is going on, as I am your last remaining employee. Can you hear me, Mr. Fujiwara? Fetch me a fire extinguisher. A good one, with the foam. Fiddle fucker up! Fiddle, why is my farm so bad? Why do I have no health? What is going on?
An ally has been slain.
Nami, fuck off! Oops. Feel. We're actually baiting really well for a Maokai gank too, but it looks like he's not going to show up. That's too bad. Huh. Okay.
An enemy has been slain.
Not bad. Hey, my farm is really bad, but that went pretty good. I wonder if the Kate was diving because she knew
Has been slain.
Maokai was there, or if she was just diving for fun. I'm unsure. Shit. What else? That's true. I should put some main menu stuff on here for design. Yeah, let's gank too. Yeah. Yeah.
An enemy has been
I still think that this is good. Bill just needs to play a little more aggressive.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Ouchie.
You have been slain.
I should have thrown a Q. There was nothing blocking me, I just didn't want to miss. And by not wanting to miss, I missed in a way. In a way, I missed by not shooting it.
An ally has been slain.
Dead.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay. Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad. $420, dude. Fiddlesticks? No. Also, where is the Viego? Oh, I found him. Ah, I was fucking close. Ouch. I fucking hit heal. I died. Shit! Shit. I would just ult for CC right now. It's already dead. This kill is already gone, bro. He doesn't even have the Shuriman Shuffle move. Yeah, that's too bad. Now, the Nami is killable here, but I need to... Go, 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 go! Turn around, turn around, turn around! No! He's a little bitch.
Killing spree.
I wanted him to re-engage using his ultimate, Crow Storm, Fiddlesticks unleashes a flurry of crows that deal damage in an AoE. If Fiddlesticks has been unseen, the first target damaged by Dark Storm, Crow Storm, will be feared for 1.2 seconds. Caitlin, leave me alone! Right. Hit alt is like a execute now or something too. Good work! Oh no. Yeah.
An enemy has been slain.
Flash ignite.
Enemy double kill.
Unfortunate. They got play gold for that though. Be nice if I wasn't down 30 farm. Bad. We're even. Top lane is the inverse here. We have Fiddle coming around, but it doesn't really mean anything. Okay. Where's the rest of our team at? Anyone? Fiddle had R and didn't use it, I guess. Huh. He wants to ult this way? Fucked. Okay. Jesse, come play, dude. Don't be hiding in the bush. Well, if it's as good as the original GPT-4, which I'm hoping it is, like, not that I'm gonna have access to this enterprise one, but
Turret plating will soon fall.
GPT-4 in February was way smarter than it is today. Like, twice or 3 times as smart, in my opinion. And there's statistics to back that up. Like, people that tested GPT-4, they were fucking thinking ahead. Those guys that did that, they were really thinking ahead, because you miss out on the opportunity once it passes you. It's not like I can just be... I can decide, oh yeah, today I'm gonna test the version from 2 months ago that is not publicly available anymore. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so Caitlyn... Kate, I just want to farm and get 100 farm at 20 minutes, okay? Is that too much to ask? Now, I'm not gonna get 100 farm as fast as you, but I can still get 100 farm. Yeah.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Let's fucking go. I might still die. 500. Oof.
Destroyed.
I'm in trouble down here. And my friend Jesse Lal is not working very hard in the bot lane.
Killing spree.
He is not working very hard. Ooh, nice scoop.
Shut down.
Nice scooper.
Enemy killing spree.
Alright, alright, alright. Trind, I need gold. Look at me, I only have 85 farm. People are going to think I'm bad. Can't have that. Can't have them thinking I'm bad.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Up top. Ability to solve good resolution of prime numbers down. The shittier, loosely speaking, does prove a metric for the backlash of toxicity training and all that. I don't think it's, like, the model is static to my understanding. Like, it doesn't take any new input from users. Once the model is already trained and booted up, you can get new capabilities in the context of the chat you're speaking in, but like the base model is not continually learning from the data of the users, to my knowledge. No! This game sucks.
Your turret has been destroyed. Rampage.
Oh, this guy should get a Gale Force. He's a big boy. Okay, he knows what he's doing. He knows what's up. He can carry a guy like me. Whee! Oh yeah, give that to me. Thank you. I'm a great player, by the way. 1 in 5, 3 assists. Kinda the greatest. Okay, that's good.
Executed.
This guy's inting it. Very good. I had a guy int it earlier, so it's only fair. See? 20 minutes, 100 farm. It's gonna happen. Can I hit it? Can I hit it before 20 minutes? The wave is coming. I have 10 seconds. Woohoo! 100 farm at 1954. He's the greatest. Only 8 minutes late. Sure. I like it. It's a good call. They gotta go deal with Rift Herald, Kate's bottom. This guy's intentionally running it down mid. I'm gonna hit him with the R this time though, because I'm good. I'm not gonna let him get away with it for free. Do 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 do. Whee! I'm helping. I'm helping. No, that's... I don't think that that's why it got worse. I think it got worse because we're not interacting with the same model. Like, it started responding way faster, much like GPT 3.5. Like, they dumbed it down by giving us a different model entirely. Like, it's not the same model just being nerfed. It's nerfed by some kind of prompt stuff. It's definitely a completely different model with less capable understanding stuff. It's still called 3, or it's still called 4, but it's... Having interacted with both, the original model is quite a bit different than what we have now. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's just win. You guys ever tried just winning the game? Do 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 do. Okay, we got bottom outer work on dragon here, and then we just win. In my opinion, IMO. It doesn't feel particularly great to win a game against a guy that is running it down mid, but hey, 2-12? People have gotten worse scores than 2-12 before, actually trying to win the game. So he's doing something. Hello. Decent. I don't think we win this though. Okay. Yeah. I will continue to farm the creeps team. Remember 4 minutes ago how I only got 100 then? Now I've got 134. What a big number. Hello, Mario. What are we gonna do? I don't know how to play Azir. Is that a normal thing that you do? You just like leave your turret here to kill all the creeps instead of clearing the wave? I feel like I'd want to clear the wave. But I'm not a seer. Snipe it! Bitch! You gotta surrender now, Viego. My whole team is being fucking kited around by this guy. Just, can we go win? Could we just go win instead of killing the guy that has died 15 times? What do you think, team? Like, really, we should just be winning. But, for whatever reason, we are not winning. Team, what is happening? Yeah. I don't know. Here's an idea. Next fight, we actually try and win the game. Doink. We're fine. Okay, team. Can we just win, please? I do agree that gimping its responses or censoring its responses does negatively impact the perceived intelligence of it. It would be very interesting to see what the base model is like, you know, what do they do? It's called RLHF, Reinforcement Learning with Human Feedback. That stuff's pretty cool. Okay, that guy's gotta be dead, right? Dead to me. Do, 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 do. Why is Nami able to, like, even have a chance of fighting me? It's so strange. Oh well, GG. Too bad that I played so badly, but you still get to win. I still get to win. Dank, dank. I don't know, this guy played good. That was a losable game, in my opinion. But I played very bad. Okay, good shit. What do we get on the playground? Log in. Hello. Hello, hello. Turbo mode. Chat. Temperature. Oh yeah, I've heard of this before too. Top P. I'm the top G, baby. Frequency penalty. How much to penalize tokens based on their existing frequency in the text so far, decreasing the model's likelihood to repeat the same line verbatim. Okay. Keep in mind, use good judgment when sharing outputs and attribute them to your name or company. System. You are a helpful assistant. You are a golden retriever. Retriever. How do you spell retriever? Dog. You can only speak in barks. How's the weather today? I haven't even fucking clicked the thing, man. Fuck you. I've never used this before. Fucking bullshit. That was too challenging of a prompt. No AI can figure out how to speak in barks. Woof, woof. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time. Peace out. Comfy Bone 7 to you. I know how to speak in barks. And my little dog always tells me that she loves me. Peace.